Microqual is a manufacturer of a complete line of RF and coaxial cables, connectors, repeaters, in-building solutions, and a turnkey provider of wireless infrastructure services. We are celebrating our 10th year of partnership and successes with our customers. We are strategically located in many parts of the country to serve our customers with both our products and our services. We have been rewarded for our efforts both by our customers through repeat business and through awards and recognition for our work. Microqual provides the complete range of wireless infrastructure services, including maintenance services. We are different from any other TSP in the country for two main reasons. We manufacture all the key components required for the infrastructure ourselves, and we have integrated state-of-the-art project management tools to give ourselves and our customers unprecedented visibility to the status of each project. We are proud to put India on the map for products that had to be imported. We now make the best-in-class products in India for the rest of the world in a state-of-the-art factory in technical collaboration with Roosendaal of Austria. Through adoption of core technologies to manufacture RF feeder cables, we have a factory in Aurangabad that is designed to turn out 10,000 kilometers of cable per annum. The cables are designed to carry out the most important call reliably, yours. Our factory in Rudrapur manufactures the complete RF kit in a box for the wireless tower. An installer's dream is to have all the parts required for a construction job show up in one box, the right products and in the correct quantity. We deliver a complete kit in a box that consists of all the RF, electrical and mechanical products cut to the right length and with the right accessories, all ready to go as soon as the installer arrives. This minimizes wasted resources as well as valuable time. We have different kits designed to match requirements of different OEM products. Microqual is a story of growth. We have continuously grown based on solving customers' problems and through their referrals. We have begun our global expansion outside India to the Middle and Far East. Our goal is to be the largest and most efficient provider of wireless infrastructure services, not just in India, but in the world.